Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, friends, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today I'm going to give you the dictation from 700 common word. It will be the exercise number 8 and it will be the part 1 of this exercise. First of all, I will give you the dictation of the difficult words which I have chosen from this exercise. You can practice these difficult words just by stopping this video. So be ready for the dictation. Coldness, countryside, warmth, rivers, motor cars, as much as, certainly. Gentlemen, now get ready for the dictation of the main exercise. After the coldness of the winter months, the lovely days of April, May and June call to us and ask us to go and see the beautiful countryside, full stop. During the long winter, the countryside has been resting and waiting for the warmth of summer to make it colorful once more, full stop. Some people feel that the countryside is more beautiful in the cold days of winter than it is in the heat of summer, full stop. When the leaves have fallen, the view is wider, details show up more clearly and the rivers are full stop. These are plain facts, of course, but the truth is that most of us like the countryside of the summer more than that of the winter, full stop. We like the warmth more than the cold, and we like to see the fields full of the color that summer brings, full stop. And so we go out, full stop. We leave behind our TV and our books, and off we go, full stop. We are light of heart and happy, and the open country is before us, full stop. Is it possible in these days, however, to get right into the heart of the country, not only to see it, but to hear it and to understand it in the way that the writer of the story of my heart, life of the fields, and the open air did, question mark. It does not seem very likely that it is possible because there are so many people in so many motor cars all trying to find the happiness of the countryside at the same time. It is plain enough that classes of people all go to the some place at the same time to find the peaceful like of the country. They will not find it, full stop. The ease with which it is now possible to reach the country places has made them less worth reaching, full stop. There is, I think, nothing that we can do about it, full stop. Motor cars are with us and are likely to be, and while we have them, we shall without doubt use them, full stop. There are, however, still places which are away from the wide roads and great motorways, full stop. There are lovely places in the byways of the countryside which, because of the quality of the roads, are seen by few, full stop. The best way to see such a place is to walk, full stop. Feet are certainly not used as much as they used to be. We like to move more quickly than our feet will take us, full stop. Our feet are still, however, quite the best means of seeing the countryside in the lovely months of early summer. Full stop.